Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. So for those of you that don't know me, my name's Daniel, and today, as you can see in the thumbnail, we're going to be upgrading the HALFORDS Industrial tool chest. Now I've got a 6-drawer unit here, and then I bought a separate 6-drawer unit here, so in total obviously you've got 12 units, and then what I've got down there is a 3-drawer extension that basically sits in the middle between these two here. So this is obviously going to go up a little bit higher, but I should still be able to reach into the drawer there. Not that I really sort of use much of that stuff anyway. Now I have done a tool chest tour before, I think it was about 2 years ago, so I'll link that up here so you can have a look at that one as well. Please bear in mind it's 2 years old, so it's not my best of work. So what I'm going to have to do today is empty out this top 6 drawers here, because obviously I don't think I'm going to be able to lift it, because this is pretty heavy. It's pretty heavy on its own as well. So a little something different today. Obviously I'm not working on any of the cars. The Fiesta's doing all right, and the Focus is out there at the minute. That needs an MOT because it's currently sawn at the moment, so it's not drivable. Also today I'm probably going to do it off camera, but I'm going to tidy up the garage a little bit because there's lots of rubbish everywhere like normal. I've just kind of let things sort of get on top of me in the garage. I can't really be bothered to clean it sort of too much, but looking around it definitely needs a little bit of a tidy up just to make it a little bit nicer place to work. Right, so annoyingly I was going to do this off camera, but I'm going to have to empty out all of this so I can lift this up and then basically fit the new one in between these two. So I'll do it off camera, I'll come back to you and I'll show you what it's looking like. Right, so I actually thought this was going to take me ages, but I don't have to empty out any of these drawers because they've actually got 2 little clips on the runners down here. So there's a little black clip here on this side that you push down, and a little black clip on the other side down here that you pull up, and basically just sort of wiggle the drawers free. Wonderful. Out it comes. So I've not got to empty out everything, and that's going to save me probably about an hour's worth of work. So I'm hoping now with all this off I should be able to lift this unit up and then get the new one on there, put this on top. Job's a good one. Right, yeah, so look, this is all off here, and you can pretty much lift it with one hand now. I mean, it's still fairly heavy, but I should be able to grab this anyway. Just like so. Right, so I actually ordered the wrong one and had to go back to Halfords to pick up this one, which is the Halford Advanced. The other one I ordered was a little bit smaller bottom drawer here, and also the drawers didn't really match up with this one. So the one I've got is HALFORDS Industrial, and this one is HALFORDS Advanced, which is their like newer range that they do. So it does look a little bit different, but it's quite a lot bigger than what I bought before. So I'm going to do an unboxing. I've got my unboxing knife here, which is a Bear Grylls knife. It's pretty savage, to be fair. I don't know how much everyone loves an unboxing. It makes some people get quite moist, so I thought what I'll do is try and do this nicely. I don't think it's packaged up very well. This to me looks like a return. Simple as that. It did say to turn it upside down, but I've learned with these that there's no point because that's the right way up. So it should be fairly easy to get out because I'm sure it's got handles on the side. Yep. The new drawer system. So obviously this bottom drawer is a lot bigger, so I can get some big items in there, which I need to do. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with that, so I'm going to put it onto the top now to start building it all back together and show you what it looks like. Right, so I don't know if you're actually going to be able to see the difference. I mean, I can here. So basically this bit's got like a rougher texture, and this is quite a smooth one. Like I say, this is HALFORDS Industrial and this is HALFORDS Advanced. So HALFORDS Advanced is their new sort of tool chest system, but it's compatible with the older ones as well, which is good. I might have to drop it off the wheels now because obviously this is going to go a lot higher, and obviously I'm about 5'9", so I don't know if I'll be able to reach the top of it. But I'm going to put the top back on now, put some of the drawers back in, and give you a little sort of guide on the new tool chest. Right, so I fitted the middle section, which is the new bit, as you can see right here. This is the original 6-drawer unit, and then I've just stacked up the 6-drawer unit here, which I'll need to put all these back in. You can see I've just got enough room at the top there for the lid to open, which obviously enables all the drawers to open. So that is pretty much a perfect fit. The only thing is the fuse board is behind there for the garage, which I'm going to need at some point. But like you can see here, look, these drawers are proper deep drawers. So you get quite a bit in that one, and then these ones are sort of for your modular bits. So they fit all of the HALFORDS Advanced toolkits. But obviously I've got them already in this one. It's not as, they're quite easy to move, and this doesn't feel as good. So look, that's the HALFORDS Advanced, and then that's HALFORDS Industrial, and these just a lot smoother than these. I think once they've got a bit of weight to them, maybe they'll be alright. But to me, I don't really care, because that is now to sort of give me that much more room, so I can actually sort out some of my junk I've got over here, etc. Put that all in there. Alright, so there it is, all back together. I'm really sort of happy with this, to be honest. The only thing I don't like, obviously where I'm quite short, I'm 5'9" or something like that. The only thing is you obviously need to push this up here. And I can reach it here, it's not a problem, but obviously I might have to get some sort of step ladder probably, or something like that. But no, it's pretty easy to see what's in there. It's not that hard to see. There's not really much I use in there, to be honest, anyway, apart from the gloves and stuff. However, what I might be doing is moving this drawer here, because it's got all of like my spanners, wrenches, etc. in there. What I'll be doing is probably moving that down to this one here, so it's easier accessible. And then what I've done in this drawer here, I've been able to get my impact gun, drill, heat gun and the glue gun in here quite comfortably with all the chargers, etc. And that also frees up my bottom drawer here, which has just got crap in it at the minute, which I need to get sorted. But I need to have to sift through all of these tools, give it a clean up as well. So I probably can throw that torch out there, that doesn't really work that well. And obviously move some bits around just for like accessibility really. So I've got my modular systems there, these ones, they're pretty good. So yeah, that's it really. At the minute, I went on to HALFORDS, they are £112 for this section here. They've actually on the Black Friday sale. The other one I bought was probably up to about here, so it's only a little bit smaller. There's like that much difference. And that was £80, and that did have the sort of, you can see there, you've got like a gloss finish, and here you've got like a textured finish. I mean, once you stand back here, you don't really notice it. And to be honest, I don't really care, because that is quite a decent little setup there. So all I need to do really now is going to be tidy up all of this mess. Excuse the light there. So yeah, it's really sort of tidy up all this mess, get some tools away, and sort of have a really big clear out, because there's a lot of stuff in here that I don't really use that much. Right, so there it is, the HALFORDS Advanced, or HALFORDS Professional, whatever you want to call it, 3-drawer extension. Like I say, I'm really happy with this. It looks really good. It's given me a lot more room in the garage. It's on Black Friday sale at the minute, so if you're watching this video now and you're interested, I think this was £112, yeah, £112, and the other one that I bought was £80. You can do it on Klarna as well. They've got like a credit facility on there, so I think you can do it over 12 months. It's like a £10 a month or whatever it costs for this. Or you can do it over 3 months or 6 months, so it's not a sponsored ad or anything like that. It's just that Klarna is available on HALFORDS if you're interested in doing it that way. So just quickly, if you've made it this far, if you could subscribe to the videos, that'd be great, and give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down, just helps the channel out a little bit. We will be working on the Focus at some point, which is just sitting out there in front of me. The weather's not that great to work on it at the moment. I sort of left it outside here. I need to clear up all of this stuff in here, so I'm going to do all that, and then hopefully I can put some footage in later on of what it looks like once it's all sort of tidied up a little bit more. The Fiesta, I need to get a few bits sorted on that, so there'll be some more videos coming up on the Fiesta. Like I say, the Focus, the loft, is getting extended, so we're going to have a loft extension, and what we're planning to do is obviously take everything down there. I've got the interior of the Focus that I need to get put back in, like the standard stuff. So there's loads of things sort of going on at the minute. Obviously videos are few and far between for me at the minute, obviously with work, etc. This is not my full-time job, this is something I enjoy doing. So anyway, I hope you've enjoyed the video. Hopefully it's not too long. I'll never know how long these are going to be whilst I'm filming it, but I reckon probably about 10 minutes if I'm lucky. Just a quick shout out as well to all the new subscribers I've had over the last month. Can't remember how many it is, but there's quite a few of you. Also, I do notice that a lot of my videos, there's only 80% of you or 88% of you that are not subscribed to the channel. So please do me a favour, subscribe. I promise you bigger things will come. Obviously the bigger the channel gets, the better things can get for me, and obviously for you guys watching the content. So as always, thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll catch you in the next one.